If you'd like to remove your password from your Windows system, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So follow me. So we're going to jump from our desktop down to our search bar and we're going to look for settings, or we can type it in the search bar at the top. And once you're in settings, you'll see a menu on the left hand side. And from here, you're going to go and look for accounts. And from accounts, you're going to go and scroll down and you will see sign in options. Now, currently on my Windows 11, the way I sign in is with this PIN option here. But if you sign in with a password, then you will go into the section where it says password. Now, what we want to do is open up the appropriate section and you'll see either to change your PIN. So if you go into change PIN, you will have to enter your current PIN and then enter your new PIN twice to confirm it. But there is a remove this sign in option, and you can remove this just simply by clicking remove. You will also then have to enter your PIN to remove it. So if you don't know your PIN, it's not a option to use the remove button, because you'll still need to know your PIN. And there you go, you're done. The next time you sign into your Windows 11, you will not have to use that PIN. If this was helpful, drop us a like, share it with a friend, and we'll see you next time. Peace.